Hello and welcome back to Get Coded, and today is our class 2 on Python. So in today's program we are going to write a program to find an area of rectangle, square and circle. Before we move forward to write the program, let's just make sure that the syntaxing is correct. This won't give us anything unless there is one more sign. See? Do you see the color change like this? So make sure that your online compiler has this thing at the end and at the top. Okay, so let's just write our program. So first we will start by writing the formula. Okay, so this is the formula which I have already written. So the area of rectangle is length into breadth, area of square is length into the side square, so length into length, and the area of circle is pi r square. Okay, so this is pi's value 3.14 into r into r. So since we have written the formula, we'll just calculate the number of variables we have used in the formula. So there is L 1, there is B 1 and there is R 1. So there are total 3 variables. So we need to declare the 3 variables first. So L is equal to, this is going to be from the user. So it would be integer data type. So this is going to input, as the user is going to input a value. Next thing would be a B would also be int. This will be also input from the user, and the next thing is R. So R is also going to be integer data type and integer, and then in braces we are going to have the input function. That's it. So this is a simple program to calculate the area of 2D figures. Let's just run it. When you run it, this console appears here. Okay, so we are going to write our input as 2, enter, 3, enter and 4. This 2 is length, 3 is breadth and 4 is radius. So when I enter again, it will calculate and give me the answer as 6, 4 and 50.24, which is absolutely correct. So if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also share with your friends and colleagues. It will motivate me to create such videos. Thanks a lot for watching.